Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and number name with color names. So let's start. Yellow color, purple color, peach pink color, orange color, black color, white color, blue color, pink color, red color, brown color, light green color, sky blue color, dark green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's paint. Red color A. A for alligator. Pink color B. B for balloon. Yellow color C. C for cat. Brown color D. D for drum. Light green color E. E for elephant. Purple color F. F for fish. Is pink color G. G for grapes. Sky blue color H. H for hen. Red color I. I for island. Pink color J. J for jug. Yellow color K. K for kite. Brown color L. L for lion. Light green color M. M for mango. Purple color N. N for nose. Is pink color O. O for orange. Sky blue color P. P for panda. Red color Q. Q for quiet. Pink color R. R for rabbit. Yellow color S. S for sun. Brown color T. T for tiger. Light green color U. U for umbrella. Purple color V. V for volcano. Is pink color W. W for watermelon. Sky blue color X. X for Xmas tree. Red color Y. Y for yo-yo. Pink color Z. Z for zebra. Yellow color 1. Brown color 2. Light green color 3. Purple color 4. Pastel color 5. Sky blue color 6. Red color 7. Pink color 8. Yellow color 9. Brown color 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye-bye. Hello kids. Now draw number 0. 0. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. Sky blue color 0. Orange color 1. Dark green color 2. Purple purple color, three, peace pink color, four, red color, five, sky blue color, six, orange color, seven, dark green color, eight, purple color, nine, zero, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine.